What's going on, guys? I feel like I have moved around at least 4 or 5 football fields since I've been here. This is a really cool event, and a lot of really interesting floor plans are being shown here from all the different manufacturers. One really interesting travel trailer that I've run across is this Cherokee. This is really cool. It's a Cherokee Limited. This is a 274 VFK. It's got an interesting nose to it. It is a stick and tin built travel trailer, but it has the V nose up front, which you can probably see from this angle. It has some really interesting cues, and I think you're going to like this one. So hang tight. I'll be right back. All right, so something that's really unique about this specific type of travel trailer is just the color tones they put into it. It has a very bold look, especially when going down the road, with the different shades and the different tones that they've put on the side of this unit. Again, this is stick and tin, so it is going to have a wood frame with aluminum siding. You can see how it has that V nose up front. Has the electric tongue jack on it as well. All right, so this has a gross vehicle weight rating of 9,985 pounds and a cargo capacity of 3,292 pounds. This is definitely a heavy travel trailer. It's not what I would consider to be a 1-ton towable travel trailer, but it's definitely in the range that you would want a 3/4 ton truck to tow it, simply because of the amount of weight that it currently has. And 9,985 pounds, you're looking at about 1,000 pounds being transferred to the back of the truck and another 100+ pounds for your hitch and whatever you might have in the truck. So a truck to tow this comfortably, especially because of the length, the height, and the weight of this, I would definitely recommend a 3/4 ton truck at least. It rides on a 10-inch I-beam frame with a rack and pinion slide system. Your propane tanks are actually housed inside of these storage areas, which is really nice. You can see it has a single rack and pinion slide back here, going around, scissor jacks all the way around to help stabilize it. Your wastewater has an outside shower space. This has a 30 amp connection on it, and the back tire holder actually doubles as a cargo rack as well. It is wired for a Furrion backup camera, and it runs incandescent lights, so I'm sure at some point it will move to LED lighting. Coming around this side, it's gonna be interesting. You have a large storage area right here. Very large storage area. So you have a lot of usable space there. And what's really cool is this huge window they put on the side here. So you're gonna have a ton of light and visibility that comes through here. Let's take a look inside. Going up the Lippert steps on this 274 VFK. Very nice interior. Has a very light neutral tone to it. You have a recliner right here, have some interesting wallpaper right there, and some storage off to the left. You have a big sofa here, which is also a bed, as well as a booth style dinette, which converts into a bed. But the special story here is this kitchen. It has a very, very comfortable, cozy front nose kitchen. And you can see how it kind of protrudes directly out into the nose of this travel trailer. Has a nice stove, as well as microwave above, a lot of storage, and a very good size Furrion refrigerator freezer. Check out that window, huge window. Over here is the bathroom, very spacious interior. You can see that it has a nice tall stand-up shower unit, as well as a foot flush toilet with plenty of space in front of it. Nice vanity area with mirror. Good size sink. I do think they probably could have gone with a slightly smaller sink. I don't think they needed a sink that big in here. Queen size bed in the back. A lot of room on each side of it as well. And a lot of storage back here also. This is a very cool little travel trailer. And the story here is this living space. I mean, just look how large this is. A lot of usable space. You would hang your TV up right here, so it would accommodate this whole area. You have your entertainment system here. It's well positioned for anybody who's going to be sitting on the couch or on that side of the dinette area. And this chair can be moved as well, so you can reposition it. But it's just a very livable floor plan. This is one of those floor plans that you could easily see yourself camping out in and being comfortable, even if you have a family. You have plenty of space on the floor and you don't really feel cramped at all in here. And that is largely due to this huge slide. So this is one massive slide, and it extends out a full 3 feet as well, so you just have so much more room when that slide is out. When the slide is in, I don't think you would be able to access the bathroom. So the slide would probably come into right about here, and the door would only open to right about here, unless you did it from your other entrance, which I failed to show you. So you have this entrance, which takes you directly into the master bedroom, and then from the master bedroom you can get into the bathroom and do your business. So you don't even need to worry about this entrance to the bathroom from this side. So that's really cool. And these travel trailers are very affordable too. Very nice skylight up top, and you can open it up if you want to let some more light in. You can usually get into one of these for the mid-20s. And like I said, it's just a very comfortable looking layout. The floor plan's really nice. The kitchen's really nice. If you're cooking food in here or preparing food in here, you have 3 windows just for you. So you're gonna have a lot of natural light coming in. And just take a look at that floor plan right here. It has a very, very comfortable, cozy feel to it. This is something that I think a lot of people would like. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you haven't had a chance, please take a moment, subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, and we'll talk to you again very soon.